So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add outline to text here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top in between chart and shape, press on text. I'm just going to go ahead and type in the word outline for this example, and then I'm just going to make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So if you wanted to add outline around the text, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the text right here, make sure that text is selected just like this. Then go down to this gear icon right here, right below the font size. Press on this. And then where it says outline, I want you to go ahead and have that checked. Now it's a little bit hard to tell because the font is black, but if you were to go ahead and see this, you can see that a bunch of different outlines you have at your disposal. You have the thickness right here and the color. So if we wanted to change the color, for example, we'll change this to green just like that. And if I wanted to make the outline a little bit larger, as you can tell, I've now added green outline to my text. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to add outline to text here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.